In this video, I'll guide you through how to activate your HSBC Secure Key in the UK. Whether you're using the HSBC mobile banking app or online banking, activating your secure key is an essential step to ensure the safety of your online banking activities. Let's dive in and explore how you can get started. First, if you're opting for the digital secure key, the process begins by downloading the HSBC UK mobile banking app. Once you have the app installed, go ahead and log in with your existing credentials. If you're new to the app, you'll need to register, which involves creating a secure set of login credentials. At this point, you may also have the option to enhance your security by setting up biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or Face ID. This additional step makes logging in more convenient and secure, as it allows you to access your account with just a glance or a touch. For those who have a physical secure key device, the process is slightly different. Start by logging in to your HSBC online banking account. During this process, you'll be prompted to enter the serial number of your secure key device. This number is typically found on the back of the device. Make sure to follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the activation. This will ensure that your device is correctly linked to your account and ready to use. If you encounter any difficulties or simply prefer a guided approach, HSBC offers a digital banking help tool. By selecting the option Activate My New Secure Key, you'll receive step-by-step guidance tailored to your specific needs. This tool is particularly helpful if you're unsure about any part of the process or if you want to ensure that everything is set up correctly. Once you've successfully activated your secure key, whether it's digital or physical, you'll have secure access to your HSBC online banking. This means you can manage your finances, make transactions, and check your account details with peace of mind, knowing that your information is protected. And that's it. That's how to activate your HSBC Secure Key in the UK. By following these steps, you've taken an important measure to safeguard your online banking activities. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks.